In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the GIGachad token on Coinbase. So what we need to do is log into our Coinbase account, and if you don't have one yet, sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. The next step is to log in to our account, and then we will go to the search bar, and there we will search for Giga, and there you will find the GIGachad coin. So select it. Once you have done that, you will arrive at the token page, and as you can see we have a price chart over here, and we can select different time frames to see what this coin has done in the past. After that, go a little bit down, and there you will find some information about this project. We also have the stats like the market cap, volume, circulating supply and the all-time highs. So read through all of that and then go to the trading options on the right side. For now we will select the buy option, but you can also sell or convert this coin. After that, select your order type, and we will select the one-time order. That is basically a one-time order for the current market price. And you can also select the recurring buy, and that is if you want to use the DCA strategy and buy multiple times this coin on a daily, weekly or monthly base. But for now we will select the one-time order, and after that we need to fill in how much we would like to spend. So let's say 1000 euros, and once you have filled that in, we can select the payment method. Over here you can see how much coins you will receive in return for that amount of money, and then we will select the payment method. Click on it, choose the preferred payment method, and is your payment method not over here in this list, then you can add a new one by clicking on this button down below. Once you have done that, click on it, select it, and always check if you have selected the right coin. Of course we have, because we searched for it, and now we will review our order. So the next step is a very good tip from me. If you would like to save yourself a lot of money on trading on Coinbase, then use the Coinbase One subscription. As you can see, we are paying transaction fees. And every time you make a trade or you buy crypto on Coinbase, you are paying a transaction fee. If you don't want to pay these transaction fees, then you can use the Coinbase One subscription. You can try it out for free for 7 days, and you can trade up to 10k a month without paying transaction fees. So definitely try that out, and yeah, once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now, and these coins will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!